Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn about the new revolution of AI in 2023. Chat GPT is a new revolution of AI. This is a website or an application. We only write the question on Chat GPT. This automatically writes the required answer of this question. We can write the statement of any programming language, then it will give the answer of it. We can write the any mathematics question, then it will give the answer of it. We can write any theoretical question, then it will give the answer of it. Chat GPT automatically write the answer of all questions using AI. This is the software of OpenAI. Now we go to Chat GPT and first we create account on Chat GPT. Then we run it and solve the multiple questions. After that we also learn about how we can make money from Chat GPT. So first we open our favorite search engine. Then we search here Chat GPT. Then click enter. Now we open the first website. After opening this website, scroll down and click here try Chat GPT. After opening this page of website, we click on sign up. After that, we write email here to create the account. Check out I am not a robot. Here we select the parking meter and click on verify. Now we click on continue. Here we choose the password for our Chat GPT account. After writing the password, we click on continue. After opening this page of website, you click on open Gmail. After opening this, you can see here the new email from OpenAI. Open it and click on verify email address. After verifying email address, you write your first name here and you write last name here. Then click on continue. Here you write your phone number. After writing the phone number, you click on send code. After opening this page of website, you go to your mobile where this number is active. You get a message of 6 digits from OpenAI. You enter this 6 digits here. I am writing here. This is verifying our code. Now you can see here Chat GPT is open. Now we click on next. Now we click on next and click on done. Now here you can see the all functionalities of Chat GPT. Now here you write your required question, then it will give the answer. First we write the question student management system in Java programming language. Now click here. Now here you can see this is giving the details of this program. Now you can see here this gave the all details of student management system, but I need the code, so I rewrite it. Student management system code in Java. We write this statement in Chat GPT and send the response. Click here. Now you can see here this is writing the code of student management system in Java language. When ChatGPT complete this code, we also run this code in Java compiler to check the answer of ChatGPT. Click on regenerate response. This is not write the complete code for us, so we click on regenerate response and check it writes the complete code for us or not. I think it is going to complete the code. This code is completed. Now we check this code in Java compiler. You can see here, I think this code is completed. Now we check this code in Java compiler. Click on copy code. Now you can see here this code is copied. Now we go to Java online compiler. You can search easily and open it. And here we write the Java code. Now you can see here this code is written here. Now we click on run. After pasting the code, we click on run. It is generating the solution. This code takes a time. Now we go back and check another question. After that we also go to Java compiler and check the correctness of code. Suppose we need the blog post on Bitcoin. Then we write here Bitcoin blog post and send the response. Click here. Now you can see here it is writing the blog post on Bitcoin for us. Now you can see here the small blog post is also written here. Now you can write any question here, then it will give the answer. We solve any mathematics question. Let's suppose. Now you can see here we write the simple mathematics question here. To check it gives the detailed answers of mathematics question or not. Now we send the response and check it. It also shows the message of this expression appears to be invalid, but it gives us the detailed answer. You can see here this is the correct answer. I think these middle brackets are not acceptable in ChatGPT. So it declares the invalid expression, but it solved the question correct. Now we go back. This program is so lengthy. I think it takes more time and video will be so long. So we go back to ChatGPT and write here small code. I think we write the code here for calculator. Small code. We need calculator in Java. Calculator code in Java. And send the response. Click here. Now you can see here it is writing the calculator code in Java. You can also get the answers of small coding project. Now we copy this code and go to online Java compiler. First we refresh it and write here the code and click on run. Now you can see here this code working fast. Now we enter the first digit and click enter, and here we write the second digit and click. Now here you choose the operation. I choose plus and click. Now you can see here the required answer is correct. Now if you want to generate the code of any project you can, but it will be a small project, not large. The large project cannot get the correct answer from ChatGPT, I think. Or you divide the complicated project into small tasks and get the output of small tasks from here and then join it. This will better for us because long projects cannot get correct answer from ChatGPT. Now we talk about how we make money from ChatGPT. If you are a blogger, you can generate your blogger post from ChatGPT and then you can post on your blog. In this way, you can earn money from blog. Another way, you can get projects from freelancing markets of coding, content writing, and any other. And then you can solve your question on ChatGPT. After getting the required answer, you can send the answer of project to your client and then generate your money. In this way, you can generate thousands of dollars in 1 month. If you get the project from freelancing markets, then you can solve your projects on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the new revolution of AI in 2023. This is the trial version of ChatGPT. Then it will not give the 100% correct answer. After that, it will updates. Then it will give us the 98 or 99% correct answer. But no, it will give us the 70% correct answer, not 90% correct answer. If you like this video, like it. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.